Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise. So today's video is a little bit different, but I'm kind of parked in a place that a lot of you might know, and that's actually Bunker Branding. So if you guys watched the Demolition Ranch or even Off the Ranch channels or even Vet Ranch, this is actually his apparel store, and finally this week they opened up the main storefront. So I'm here to check it out in person, get some merch. I'm already wearing some merch, but yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, so if you guys have watched the Demolition Ranch or even Off the Ranch channels, you'll recognize this giant tungsten cube. It's actually not that big compared to like my hand. However, if you try to pick it up with one hand, it's extremely heavy. Where he shot it, which, look at that. This thing is insane though. He dropped it on so many things. It just barely nicked it, dropping it like through windshields all over a car. But yeah, this is crazy seeing it in person. Alright guys, so the fence right here, which doesn't look like much, just like a normal fence. However, Matt hired Brandon and Cameron from CB Welding to work on it. I saw the quality of the welds on the channel. It looks so good. So I actually had Cameron and Brandon make the custom chassis mounted wing on my car. So this handiwork is the same handiwork that did the fence right here, which I think is pretty cool. But definitely go check out CB Welding. They do amazing stuff. And also, if you watch the Demolition Ranch and Off the Ranch channels, you'll recognize Earl. So this is actually one of Matt's trucks. And seeing it in person, this thing is actually pretty awesome. It has this huge truck bed that he swapped out on it, which I think looks pretty cool. Like, definitely way better than just like the flatbed that I had on there before. But yeah, there's my car. Oh, there's a Tesla with lime green wheels. That's interesting. But Bunker Branding Co. So definitely go check it out. This is awesome that I had the opportunity to come out here. And the shirt I have on right now is actually one of like the original shirts from like way back when, Bunker Branding 1.0, which is technically the second location they ever had. But here I am now, Bunker Branding, the main location with the storefront. But this is so cool to actually be here in person. But if you guys are in the San Antonio, Bernie area, or even just anywhere in Austin, definitely come check them out for sure. So unfortunately Matt's not here, but I still got to come check out Bunker Branding 2.0. It's super awesome. Yeah, it was a super cool experience to come check this out. I definitely had to get a photo op because whenever you're at Bunker Branding with a crazy car, you might as well park it right out front. But yeah, if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely go down, hit the subscribe button so you keep coming back to all the crazy cool car content. And you never know, sometimes I'm here at Bunker Branding. So yeah, definitely go like, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.